So my next door neighbor, Arnie, has got the steam engine.
So you tighten up that little valve up there, so it's like...
Yeah, it's good and tight.
So you got the water in there, and then, so with the heat underneath it, that should be making steam. We should pop out of that little...
Then you put this on the top drive, right? Then this
here... Are
here...
those two pistons in there? Is there two
pistons? So it's the top drive, so then...
So
this is your control valve here.
Oh, I see.
This is your let-off valve. This is your control valve here.
Ah, I see.
So once she heats up, well then, if you're not sure, this relief valve, those will go. But anyway, it'll never happen because this will blow off first. Oh, we got steam coming out.
Okay.
I think we got her.
So is that thing set up as a whistle too? Has it got a whistle?
Oh yeah.
It does the whole 9 yards.
Well, whole 9 yards.
Cool. Oh, okay.
So what we did was, we built a box. And then the box was the overdrive, and on this little engine here, see the pulley drive?
Yeah.
We rigged up a generator that kept the whole cabin going on this steam engine.
Great, yeah, great.
And of course,
you just hang headlights out of a car or something in the ceiling, and you can get it.
All we hear was
so you got
this
lighting.
Yeah. All we hear is this thing in the background making a chugga chugga noise, and we go, whoa.
Well, if you hook this up to an electric motor, then it would turn the electric motor backwards, which would make a generator, right?
Exactly.
So you would be able to generate whatever voltage that.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun.
You know, so you'd be able to make electricity with this very easily. But I mean, you know, Watt. Yeah, I'll tell you what. Watt was supposed to be the inventor of the steam engine, but there's a few other people that said they're taking credit for it too. Eh?
So anyway, I'm hoping I got enough pressure here. I'm trying to get pressure.
Yeah, some pressure here.
I'm getting it. Before we run out of fuel.
There's, all the old trains used to run. I can remember the logging trains going by our house, like, back in the 50s, like, it'd be on the back porch, and the logging train would come by, and the guy would blow the whistle, like, right at the little lake corners. That was kind of great. But, yeah, steam engines, there they got it. It's a terrific little...
For impatient, I hope you start cooking.
It's going, no, it's not going. I don't know what happened. Let's go now. There you go. Come on, dude. Come on. There we go. There she goes. Oh,
there she goes.
There she goes, eh? Oh, that's just a nice little rhythm, eh? Isn't that a beauty? Wow, that's neat. Wow, this is really good. Just a puffing away.
The fire's going out, damn it.
She's throwing a rod. Oh.
I put more fire underneath or something. The thing just winds right up, right?
The steam might really build up, and you can get it really
rocking. Then you pull, if I pull the whistle, I'll lose steam on the roller, right?
It's rocking steam,
right? But I got no more fuel.
Yeah, too bad. But that's really neat.
Methyl hydrate works good. It's got to be a clean burn fuel. Like lighter fluid works good, right? Have you got lighter fluid?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, lighter fluid works good.
Okay, I'll get some.
I soak it down with lighter fluid.
Tune in next week for the next exciting episode of Adventures in Steam Engines.
And more fuel.
And we have to get a different kind of fuel.